Chondeshwari coaching classes program. We are listening School is a temple of knowledge in which teachers are prized and students are devoted. In the same way, classes are also the another temple of knowledge where education is worshipped. I am very happy to have got a chance to speak today on a beautiful occasion of our Chondeshwari coaching class. And the heartiest congratulations to all who got prizes for their huge success. Our class, the our Chondeshwari coaching class is one of the best class in our Vadwani for overall development of the student. Our classes is place where our teachers are developed to become a great human being and qualities that we pick up over the years. We are thankful as we being the part of this magnificent classes. We are grateful to our parents for making right choice for us. Future depends on what you do today. The most important thing we learn here that anything can be achieved with focus, perseverance and confidence. Thank you to Tompe sir, Dute sir and Bhusbal sir for being outstanding educators. Thank you all.
खरं तर आयुष्यामध्ये